again to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing us how to design quiz on EDMODO. The first thing you do is to log into your account. This is my EDMODO account. To design a quiz, you click on the class that you want to take the quiz. For today's class, I want to assign my quiz to my chemistry class. So I click on chemistry class. Yes. Now to assign quiz, you click on create. This is the quiz. You have the option to either load an existing quiz or you create a new quiz. For this class, I want to create a new quiz, so I click on new. Yes, so this is the quiz format. The first thing you do is to enter the quiz title. I call this quiz 1. Instructions. Please answer all questions. Alright, the next thing I do to start entering my questions is to click on quiz questions. Yes, this is the page. Now, right here, I have options. I have about 6 question types. I'll be showing us how to use these 6 question types from true, false, multiple choice, short answers, filling the blanks, matching, and multiple answers. Now, please note that for true, false, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and matching, the questions will be automatically graded. While for the short answers, you as a teacher will have to manually grade those questions. So I want to start my first question with a short answer. So I click on short answer. So I type in the question. So this is my first question. Now, you can also attach files to the question or add links, depends on what you want. Now you have to grade the question. I want to make it 2 marks, so 2 points. So if the student answer this question, they get 2 marks. Now I want to add the next question. I can either add a question from my question bank if you have one, or you can click on add new question. Alright, this is it. Now I want to set another question type. I want to use the multiple choice. Alright, so what is the most common isotope of hydrogen? So this is my question. Now, because it's a multiple choice, I'll be giving a space for responses. So our first option is deuterium. Next one is tritium. Next is protium. As you can see, you can add a next response if you want to. Now I have my 4 responses. Now this question will be automatically graded, so I have to specify the correct answer. So protium is the correct answer, so I click on protium. So this question will be automatically graded. Now, the next question, click on add new question. Now I want to use a next question type, which is fill in the blanks. All right. It says use apostrophe underscore to specify where you would like a blank to appear in the text box. So I type in a question, which is this: the chemical formula for water is. So to specify the blank, I type in apostrophe underscore apostrophe. Now when you look beneath the responses, you will see a space for you to enter the answer. In this case, the student will have to answer in the exact order for the question to be marked as correct. So I type in the answer here, H2O. So this will be the answer that the student will have to enter to get this question correct. I want to change the grading to 2. All right. You can decide to delete the question or duplicate, it's a choice. But for me today, I want to click on add new question. Now in this case, I want to use the true false option. True false. It says in the human body, iron is located most in our bones. True or false? Again, you have to click the correct answer because this will also be marked automatically. Now the correct response is false, so I click on false. All right. Now for my last question, click on add new question. This time I want to use the matching option. In this case, you'll be given about 4 responses. With the correct answer, the student will have to match the answers. So my question is, match the following elements with their correct atomic number. So I can enter an element, lithium, right here, enter the answer. The atomic number for lithium is 3. The next one, enter carbon. The atomic number for carbon is 6. Next, I enter chlorine. The atomic number for chlorine is 17. Now you can add a next response if you want to. Sodium, the atomic number for sodium is 11. Now if you want to increase the difficulty of a matching question, you can add an additional answer. All right, now I want to add one more. I want to add one more atomic number, which is 21. So this will give you 4 responses and 5 answers. So the student will have to match the correct responses to get the correct answers. So here I have 4 responses, so I can make my grading to be 4. That's it. So this is how you can set quizzes on EDMODO. Here you have the option to preview, so you can preview your quiz. You come this way, preview. Yes, this is it. So you can see what your student will see. Look at this. This is what your student sees. Look at this. You see that? Good. Look at this. So this is what your student sees. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is the matching option, where the student have to take the correct answers and put in a box. The correct answers, put in a box. Correct answers, put in a box. Is it? So this is how you set questions on EDMODO. So this is how you set your questions. So when you finished, you click on assign. So you can set the due dates when you want the assignment to come in. 12th of August. You can set the time. You can decide to lock the assignment after due date. You can also set the time limit. I want to leave it at 60 minutes. You can also click on this to add the quiz to the gradebook. And right here, you can click on this to randomize the question so that each student sees a different question number. Alright, so when you finished, you can assign to your class, or you can schedule for later. So I want to assign this to my class now. Assign. Wow, got it. So yes, as you can see my quizzes showing in my students class. So guys, this is how you can add a quiz to your students on EDMODO. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment box, and I shall respond as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.